Have you ever wondered why absence makes the heart grow fonder? It's because human nature values what it cannot easily have. To make someone miss you deeply, you don't need tricks or games, you need principles. Stoicism, a timeless philosophy, offers wisdom that can transform not just your relationships, but your entire life. Picture this. You become a person whose presence is felt even when you're miles away. Why? Because your strength, your self-control, and your calm confidence leave an impression that's impossible to forget. Stoics understood something crucial. The key to powerful attraction lies within you, not outside you. They teach us that if we master ourselves, others naturally become drawn to our quiet strength. Think about it this way. When you're always available, always reaching out, always seeking attention, you diminish your own value. But what happens when you show discipline, purpose, and dignity in your silence? Your absence becomes louder than words ever could. Remember what Marcus Aurelius said: "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." When you master emotional discipline, you resist impulsive actions driven by fear of losing someone. Instead, you radiate confidence. You let go of anxious texting, the urge to constantly check in, and replace it with calm, patient presence. When you act with intention rather than impulse, your partner senses your strength. They feel secure yet curious, comfortable yet intrigued, drawn back to you because your inner calm is rare and magnetic. Next, consider how the Stoics saw resilience. Epictetus famously taught, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." People often fear losing someone because they fear uncertainty, rejection, or loneliness. But imagine being someone who doesn't crumble when things get uncertain. Instead, you stand firm, anchored in your values, confident that you will thrive, with or without anyone by your side. This resilience isn't just attractive, it makes you unforgettable. Your partner recognizes your inner strength, your ability to weather storms without complaint or desperation. They miss you because you're the rare person who doesn't fall apart, who remains solid, steady, and sure. Now ask yourself, how often do we lose ourselves trying to please someone else? Stoicism offers a powerful remedy: personal growth. Seneca reminds us, as long as you live, keep learning how to live. When you continuously improve yourself, your body, your mind, your skills, you become irreplaceable. Your absence becomes noticeable because your presence adds undeniable value. Imagine improving your health, reading more, developing new hobbies, pursuing passion projects, all without constantly broadcasting it. Quiet growth is loud. It shows itself in your posture, your conversations, your calm assurance. Your partner sees you evolving and fears missing out on someone exceptional. They start missing the improved version of you, longing for the warmth of your quiet confidence. Finally, embrace a powerful Stoic lesson: the strength of detachment. Marcus Aurelius wisely wrote, "Receive without pride, let go without attachment." Relationships thrive on freedom, not control. When you hold too tightly, you suffocate attraction. Yet when you trust deeply enough to let someone breathe, your confidence becomes irresistible. Detachment isn't coldness, it's strength. It shows that you cherish your partner but never lose yourself. By maintaining this gentle detachment, you give your partner room to miss you deeply. They sense that you genuinely want them, but never desperately need them. And that subtle difference sparks an intense desire and longing. Stoicism doesn't teach us to play games. It teaches us to build our character, to embody qualities worth missing. By practicing emotional discipline, resilience, continuous growth, and healthy detachment, we naturally inspire deeper longing. When someone misses you, it shouldn't be manipulation. It should be genuine admiration for the extraordinary person you're becoming. If this resonates with you, join us on this journey. Subscribe and continue exploring timeless wisdom together.